Hi everyone, I'm Alexis and I work at Request Network. Today I'm going to show you how to create an e-commerce website that accepts stablecoin payments and how to do it in under 10 minutes using AI. We're going to build a little sticker shop like this one. All we need is a free lovable account and the Request Network payment protocol. So first, let's go to request.network, click on connect your wallet. So from here I can show you all the list of the different wallets we integrate with. In this example, I'm going to use my MetaMask as my receiving wallet. This is where I will get paid. So I click on sign in and authenticate. I sign and I can access a Request Network dashboard. So now let's set up the payment destination and let me explain you why it matters. So payers around the world hold different tokens on different chains. With a payment destination, you can choose on which chain and token you want to receive the funds. So your payers pay with what they hold and you receive what you want. In this example, let's say that I want to receive on Ethereum in USDT. I'm also going to enable transaction screening. This means that payers' wallet will be screened before a payment is initiated. It's just to prevent risky wallets from sending you funds. So this is all you need to know about from now. Let's create the payment destination. So let's download the lovable prompt. So if you go to the how to accept stablecoin payment in 10 minutes article, just scroll down to step number 2 and just click on download the prompt. So now you just have to copy it. You go to your free lovable account. So me, I've already preloaded sticker images to use less credits. You can use your own product images if you want to. And just execute. Now Lovable is asking to provide the client ID and destination ID. So you go back to request dashboard, under manage, you can generate a new client ID. So here you just enter the name of your website or your app, click generate. So me already generated my client ID, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it. Same with the destination. And then I'm just going to submit it to Lovable. So Lovable just created the website. Now it's time to publish it. So on the top right, just click publish, continue, continue, and continue. Publish. So now let's read the instruction. So now that the website is published, the webhook URL is our published domain. So if I click on publish here, I can see the domain and then followed by the URL. So let's go back to the request dashboard. I'm going to add a webhook, add the URL, and I'm just looking for the path, which is this one, and paste it here. So I'm creating now the webhook. I've got the signing secret to copy and paste it to Lovable. So as you can see now, like the website is ready. Let's test it by doing a payment. So I'm copying the URL of the website, going to it. So it's pretty cool. I love the stickers like that and the colors. So let's add a few items to the basket. As you can see, we have like the total. We can edit quantity if we want to. For the purpose of the demo, I'm only going to do a $1 transaction. So then you click on the Pay in Crypto button. From there, you're going to be redirected to the secure payment page. By default, we can see that it's showing the preferred payment destination of the merchant that we set up earlier. So in this example, me, I'm going to pay on Ethereum, but you can change chain. But I'm going to pay in USDC as opposed to USDT because I've got more like token on that. Okay, and also I want to show you like that the swap is working. Let's pay. Okay, so I just have to confirm from my MetaMask. And you can see that the confirmation is being processed as we speak. All right, here's the confirmation. So we can see that the transaction went through. If you want, you can check it on Etherscan. You've got the hash. We can see all the different steps of the payment, and we can see that the swap happened. Now you can actually also return to your dashboard, and we can see that the payment just appear here. If I click on it, I can see all the payment details. So for example, I can see that here with like the payer send USDC, but the receiver you receive USDT. We can see the different transaction hash for this transaction. We can also see like an audit trail of the wallet screening and the wallets that have been screened and passed the test. All right, so we were able to build this really cool e-commerce website that can accept stablecoin payment in just 10 minutes using Lovable and the request network payment protocol. There are so many like use cases for the payment protocol. You can think of building like an online shop, selling whatever you want. You can also use it to monetize an app or a game you created. We can also think about content creators if they want to monetize their content, or like online casinos for payment deposits. So yeah, if you want to build something, it's super easy. You don't need to create an account or to pass KYC. All the documentation is available on our website. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to see what you can build with it.